Put your hands up like that. And I come up to you and I try to push. Whee! It slides. Slides me back. Look at that. My toe has just come through my sock. I exerted so much force and my toe came out. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's hilarious. All right, but instead, I just have a different attitude about it. Are you ready? You just tickled with yourself on that joke, aren't you? I know, okay. So I just come up and woo. So light and easy. That's right. So she's lowering her arms because she thinks it'll make a difference. I come up. I'm going to resist, resist, resist. Use those abs. Come on, girl. All right. But that was still using force. So it's just nice and light. Yep. Okay, one hand. So if I come and try to press, and a lot of Tai Chi people, when they try to press, for whatever reason, they're pressing down into the floor. Like if I wanted to move you, pressing down into the floor only makes more work for me. But I'll try to change the angle and I'll press up, and it still's not moving her, even though you can see her arms shaking. So I imagine that she's a ball, and I just want to roll the ball.
Nice and gentle.
Nice and gentle.
That time you're like pressing me back towards the backyard instead of the floor, so you got me off balance easier with little effort.
Very little effort. Now, if the person collapses their shoulder, so let's say I do everything right, I'm nice and light and loose myself, and I come up and she just does that. Some of your people do that. So I just change my intention to her spine, and I stay with it. I may have to get a little closer, but I didn't touch her. Did you see that?
Yeah.
So I'm just directing my intention there because your structure lost here, so I'm not able to push or influence it, I should say. So I just connect even closer in. So let's do it again. So again, if she starts to collapse, meaning that her shoulder is collapsed, then I just changed my focus to her spine. And the instant I did that, you went back. So I wonder what would happen. Go ahead and do it again. If I'm just automatically focused on the spine. Yeah, it's more quick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.